Welcome to the CX Live Dialogues. I'm delighted to have with us today Noman Ejaz, a seasoned technology leader with expertise in smart city solutions, AI-driven platforms, and IoT innovations. With over a decade of experience delivering transformative projects across the Middle East, Noman excels in aligning customer-centric strategies with cutting-edge technology to enhance urban living and drive business success. Welcome, Noman. It's a pleasure to have you with us today.
Thank you very much for the introduction and this opportunity to share my thoughts with everyone. Thank you.
Now, Noman, how can smart city solutions be leveraged to enhance citizen engagement and improve public service experiences?
Okay, so smart city solutions play a pivotal role, in enhancing citizen engagements and improving the public service experience by leveraging the various different technologies, of course, to create more responsive and efficient user-centric urban environment. So it can be improved in various different ways. One of them is like digital platforms for the citizen, participation. So you have various different portals, you have various different mobile applications where they can submit their feedbacks, complaints, and then, their experience they are having. Then you have AI and IoT-based public services as well, where different sensors are installed across the urban environments, smart sensors, which not only monitor the environment, but also provide feedback, real-time feedback as well. And then you can do personalized and proactive communication as well. So you have different bots in your apps, in your platforms as well. You have various different notifications coming to you proactively. For example, weather sensors, you have notification regarding the traffic, you have notification regarding the weathers and so on. Then you have AI data-driven governance mainly. So you have predictive analytics as well, which is not only real-time communication of what is happening, but also you have prediction going around as well. Like what would be the traffic situation on a certain time of the day. So you can plan your trips accordingly. You can see the weather, you can plan your trips accordingly. You can also see other similar activities regarding infrastructure, so you can plan things, and again, transparency has to be part of all this, what we are doing here.
Certainly. And again, it all comes back to how the integrations happened. What strategies would you recommend for integrating AI and IoT to deliver that personalized and scalable customer experience you just spoke about?
Okay, so personalized and scalable, customer experience require a strategic approach, and it has to be balanced, which has to be data-driven approach with automation and basically with user-centric designs in the background, especially for smart cities, where IoT platforms are there, and now AI is like everybody's lips has this buzzword about AI and ML. So this has to be part of this whole journey as well. So AI powered personalization, and you can see already apps where every user can customize the interfaces and preferences as they like. So this has to be there in every apps and systems. Mainly now you can see these in retail and healthcare as well. Now, after that comes the decision-making part of it, which has to be using that data and then providing decision support system where users can make informed decisions using that data. So data, for example, smart homes has various different sensors stored. So we use that data to further guide the user and take proactive actions. It could be about efficiency in the electricity bills, water, and even about other appliances they are using. And what we are trying to do is also bring in the edge processing in this, so there's no latency regarding the responsiveness of these systems. And again, there's an ethical part to it as well, which we take care as an umbrella governance, governance aspect of this whole journey.
Certainly. And in an era of rapid technological advancements, how does your organization ensure its customer experience strategies are flexible to adapt to new innovations and customer expectations?
Okay. So certainly, so organization must ensure that their customer experience is responsive, and it need to consider not only what is in the trend, is the current trend, but also flexible enough to bring in and adaptive to the future needs and innovation that will come. It has to be proactive, it has to be data driven and modular in a way it can bring in future advancements and innovations and the requirements of. So in our organization, we focus on multifaceted, to be very honest, experience, bringing in all these strategies and technology advancements. So we are like agile and modular approach, AI driven insights from the data that comes from various different, channels, and then using that to do the prototyping. Prototyping help in many ways because you can do A/B testing and testing on this as well to see what user is more responsive to, and you can modify and customize your future needs and services accordingly. And then what we are doing is developing, while we are developing all these solutions, we are doing partnerships as well. So we are doing partnerships with various different tech firms, startups, and then innovation hubs as well to bring in different ideas. We have partnerships with different government entities as well to make sure we bring in those ideas as well and their needs and address them accordingly. Yeah.
Certainly. And again,
So
customer retention is critical in today's market. What strategies are you leveraging to implement emotional connect and sustain long-term loyalty in a highly competitive market?
okay, so in to be very honest, in today's market, it's not about just customer retention based on providing the service the customer need. We have to create meaningful and emotional and long-term loyalty as well to retain these customers, which is again, we need to provide a technology which is agile, the solutions which are agile, personalization, customer engagement is one of the key element in all these things. As I said, with our customer, we bring them on board, guide them throughout the journey and provide solution which is not just what they requested, but beyond that. So personalization at scale is very important, and it has to be proactive and tailored to the customer, and the marketing or post and pre-marketing to the solution has to be tailored as well as per the customer. There has to be trust and transparency as well. So we provide solution exactly what they are looking for. And then the solution has to be whatever solution it has to fulfill the complete journey, not just a portion of the problem is resolved and the full the pain area is still there. So it has to be complete journey has to be taken care of in terms of the solution. And then so what we do is we bring in these we have an omni-channel experience group as well in our organization, where we bring in all this information from various different channels and various different mechanisms. We have to bring in these experience and solutions before we do the implementation. So this is one of the key element in our organization, where we deliver the product, but it's also creating the connection and maintaining the engagement with the customer even after delivering the solution in various different ways.
Sounds like you're on a very exciting journey. Thank you, Norman. It's been a pleasure to have you join us today. And we obviously look forward to meeting you at the Customer Experience Live Show in Dubai in May.
Definitely, that would be great to see you in person as well. Yes, and your organization. Thank you very much.
Indeed. Thank you so much. And you take care till then. Bye for now.